Okay, dear student, today we will see how we will solve this question. So this is a question from coordinate geometry. तो इसमें हम लोग देखते हैं हमें क्या करना है इसमें. Find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the point 2, -5 and -2, 9. First we need to understand what is the term equidistance. Okay, so what is the term equidistance? That means equal distance. So basically we have a point. Suppose we are saying that our point is P, which is lie on x-axis. Can you tell me what can be the coordinates of a point if which is lie on x-axis? And कोई भी coordinate अगर x-axis पे lie करता है तो उसके coordinates क्या होंगे? That can be x, 0. Okay. Now we have given a 2 point which is equidistant from point P. तो हमारे पास दो points दिए हैं जो कि क्या है? Equidistant है. Suppose we are saying that our point is Q and R. जो क्या है हमारे इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे है, जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है हमारे 2, -5 एंड -2, 9. ओके. नाउ सो हाउ विल यू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x और कोऑर्डिनेट व्हिच इज ऑन x एक्सिस? सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू यूज द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. सी, सो वी विल राइट बाय यूजिंग डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. By using distance formula, we can say that PQ distance will be equals to PR distance, isn't it? Because what is given in the question, like distance of Q and R both are equal from the point P. That means distance of PQ is equals to distance of PR. So we have taken the same. Okay, dear student, can you tell me if I'm saying that 2 is equals to 2, is it correct? Yes, isn't it? If I take the square of both the numbers, can you tell me what can be the answer? 4 is equals to 4. Is it still true? So if we have written PQ is equals to PR, can I say that square of PQ and square of PR both will be equal? Later on you will understand why we are taking squaring. हम लोग squaring क्यों ले रहे हैं? Now see, what is our distance formula? Distance formula is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, okay, and whole square is given. Now we will write the same distance formula for PR. So what is distance formula? That is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, now again we have to take the squaring. Now you can easily identify why we have taken square in the beginning, so that we can cancel out square with under root. Okay, that's why we have taken. Now what will you get? x2 minus x1. So now we will see that for better understanding, dear student, what can you do? You can consider this is your x1, this is your y1. You can consider this is your x2 and this is your y2. So we will apply the formula. What is x2 here? x2 is 2. What is x1 here? That is x. So it will be square plus. Now you can see that what is y2 here? y2 is -5, and what is y1 here? y1 is 0, so it is -0 square. This will be equals to, again now we have to take the coordinates for P and R. Now you can see that this is your x1, this is your y1, so it will be your x2 and it will be your y2. Now just put the value. What is your x2? That is -2. What is your x1? That is x. So it will be -x square plus. What is your y2? That is 9. What is your y1? That is 0. Now you can open the identity a minus b whole square. So we know what is the identity for a minus b whole square. So our identity of a minus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. Just you need to open this identity. Okay. Now instead of this, can I write a square plus b square minus 2a into b plus, now -5 square. So can I write it as -5 square here? Yes. Now for this, can we write, you can consider -2 as a and -x as a b. So now you can easily write down you can apply the identity a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2. What is a here? A is negative 2. What is b here? Negative x. Plus, now it will be 9 square. So just what we have done in this step, we have opened the identities. Now just simplify this. 2 square is 4. Plus what is x? It will be x square. Negative 2 into 2, that is negative 4x. What is negative 5 square? That is 25 is equals to negative 2 square is 4 plus x square. Negative 2 into negative x, that is positive 2x. Positive 2x into 2, that is positive 4x. Now what is 9 square? That is 81. Now we will see that if is there any term which can cancel each other. So we can cancel x square with x square. Positive terms can be cancelled out. Like we will see the sign which is having same. We will see the term which is having same sign. Now we have 4 positive. This is also having same sign, so we can cancel out each other. Now this is a negative 4x. Can I transpose 4x to left hand side? It will be 4x 81. Now we can transpose negative 25 to the right hand. It will become negative 25. Negative 4, that is negative 8x is equals to, if you subtract 25 from 81, what will I get? So we will get 56. Now we can say that x will be equals to 8 7 negative 7. So we are getting x equals to negative 7. So we can say that therefore we can say that points will be, what will be our points? So points will be what? X is negative 7 comma 0. So this is your final answer. So this is what you have to do in this question. Thank you.